Hi, this is Phil North from Ferret Software. I want to give you a quick overview of Ferret and what it's all about. Ferret's an electronic document filing system that combines at least 3 filing systems into one. Electronic documents of any type, doesn't matter what it is, emails saved directly from Outlook, and paper scans all in one place, all together, chronological order, or any order you wish. So basically, it's a real simple filing system that combines 3 filing systems into one. Okay, quick overview of the screen layout so you understand the different parts. This is your primary record. This record can be anything you want it to be, such as a client file, a job file, a property file, a staff member for HR, a legal matter. It doesn't matter. You can make this up into anything you like. Now, this is the same as your folder in your file cabinet or the folder in Windows Explorer, except that you get a lot more information here about this particular file. And it's up to you to decide what that is. So you customize these fields to suit yourself, change it anytime you like. You can have any number of different types of records in the same database. So for example, in the insurance industry, you could have clients, claims, and policies. So this could be a client or a claim or a policy, each one of which would have different fields here. Over here you have related records. These are records of any other record type that are connected to this one. So this could be a client. These are all their policies and claims. This could be a policy. This is the client and claim, and so on. This could be a client. These are all their jobs. This could be a client. This is a legal matter for that client. It's up to you. This is where you can put notes against this record. So if something's happening relating to this record, you can add a note at any time. This is your document table. This is where every single document of any type without limit can be saved against this record. Typically this table is broken up into columns that act like indices. They tell you whatever you want to know about the document, such as document date, document file name, a description field, document type, what is this, to and from, and so on. So again, you decide what columns you want in the document table. You adapt it to suit yourself. This is your search section, so you can search on any field within the record, any word within the notes, and any column within the document table. So you can either do a simple search or go to advanced and search on a specific combination of fields. So very, very easy to find something. So I want to find a particular record for a client called Lee. Start at the top left. What's the record type? It's a client file. Who is it for? It's for Lee. Type in Lee, hit enter or search. I then get my results here. If there's more than one Lee, it'd be listed here. I confirm that is the record I'm looking for. I then go through my document table, which is in chronological order, and find the document I want. So I'm looking for this particular document here. I simply double click and it opens. So there's my image of a scanned invoice. I can now email it, fax it, print it, do what I like. So to recap, to find something, simply start at the top left, search for the details, get your results, confirm you're in the right record, find your document. Now if you know the details of the document, you can go straight to that document using the advanced search feature. So very, very fast to find anything. We can pretty well guarantee you find anything in less than 10 or 15 seconds max. Now the other side of the coin is adding stuff in. That's just as fast. 4 ways to do it. One is directly from Outlook. You've got a Ferret toolbar here in Outlook. You want to add this incoming email to Ferret, just click Add to Ferret or wait for the prompts. This window pops up. What's the record I want to search for? I want to search for Lee. I already had Lee open. These gray fields are the headers in the Ferret document table, and what's happened is Ferret Tools for Outlook has read the email, picked up the email's date and put it against the Ferret date, picked up the email subject and put it against the Ferret description field, picked up the doc type as an incoming email, and also picked up who's to and from. Now I can change anything I want here, so I can edit any of that information, and I simply click Add. It's now in Ferret. It's now prompting me to delete it from my inbox. Yes, I do want to delete it, so she's gone. I go back to Ferret. I'm still in Lee. I hit refresh. There's my email right there. It's an MSG file. It's saved in the Ferret document directory. I want to reopen it. The default viewer for an MSG file is Outlook. So it's still an email. I haven't changed it. I can still reply and forward to it, but it's not stored in Outlook where it doesn't belong. It's stored in Ferret together with all the other files for that record. Outgoing email, same concept. You create a new email, you click send. You'll get prompted, do you want to save it to Ferret, yes or no? If you say yes, You get the same window pop up. Where do you want to put it? Automatic indexing, saved. You can also do the same for attachments. You want to save an attachment separate to an email, same process. Select the email with an attachment on it, hit the attachments button, you'll get the same window pop up. Where do you want to put it? Now if there are 3 attachments, that window will pop 3 times. You have these same toolbars in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Visio, and Project, except you don't have the attachments button. So you create a Word document, save it straight into Ferret, and so forth. If you have an electronic file that you want to bring in, like a PDF or JPEG photograph or voice recording or video or anything, there's nothing you can't put in here. You simply find the record you want to bring it in, click Add New, hit that little button right there. That opens Windows Explorer. Where's your file? Bring it in. Now, you want to add a paper document into Ferret, the same concept. You first find the record you want to save it to. So again, I want to put this against Lee. I find Lee. I hit Add New. Everybody that uses Ferret has a roll of pre-printed barcode labels. Each label is a unique number. No data in it, it's simply a unique ID. I want to put this paper document into Ferret. I peel off one label, put it only on the first page, not every page, just the first page, and then I enter that barcode number, which is unique, into that particular field. I fill out my description field, and doc type is a drop down. This is your list. And I simply click Add, and there it is there. So I took about 10 seconds to reference that paper document into Ferret. It's not available simply because it hasn't been scanned yet, but I was the owner of this document. It took me 10 seconds to put it in. I'm too busy to get up and go scan it. I got better things to do. It's in my out tray. And once a day or 5 times a day, somebody comes along, picks up all the documents that have been referenced into Ferret that day, takes them to any scanning machine of any brand or model, doesn't matter what it is, and scans the whole lot in bulk. Not one at a time, the whole lot, one hit. There's another application that comes with Ferret called Scan Watcher. It sits on the server. The scanner is set to scan to a directory on the server. Scan Watcher is watching that directory. The images arrive. Scan Watcher picks them up, reads every page, uses our barcode to separate each document from another. It automatically ignores all other barcodes. So there's our barcode. It'll ignore all these barcodes. It'll use our barcode to separate the documents. It will automatically rename the image with that unique number. And because you already put that unique number into Ferret, it knows exactly where to save it to, automatically ticks the box. So the person doing the scanning doesn't need to know anything about the document. All they got to do is scan it. The owner took 10 seconds to put it in. Ferret's a single screen, real simple to use. There's your record, there's associated or linked records, here's your notes, here's your document table, here's your search section, real easy. So the benefits are 3 filing systems, find anything in seconds, improve your productivity, simple and easy to use, customize it to suit yourself, very fast return on investments. If you're interested, call us to arrange a more comprehensive demo, discuss your specific needs and requirements, receive a detailed quote on the spot, and make a decision. Move forward. Here's our details. Give us a call. Thanks. Bye.